Hello, this is Benjamin Sklar, and this is my presentation for the HTML class. I'm doing an update of the e-commerce site for last quarter. Added new features, web pages, and technology, but I made minimal changes to the styling and the general HTML. From this quarter, I added maps, leaflet, jQuery, handlebar templates, and added client-server communication using Amazon Web Services, specifically Cognito for user authentication and authorization, and DynamoDB for NoSQL databases. This includes a location page, a user sign-in and information page, and a checkout and order submission page. More specifically about AWS, the Cognito service provides user authentication and allows apps to access AWS resources such as the DynamoDB tables. There's three primary tables that I have so far: a products table, which has the product information, the order table for submitted orders, and order lines for more detailed information about submitted orders. Here are some screenshots and some screenshots of the DynamoDB tables, which I'll show now. We go to, this looks the same as it did last quarter, but we have this sign-in. We can now sign in as we would at any other page or website. There's user information, which I can edit. I now go to some of the pages and add items to the cart. Again, this has not changed from last quarter. We look at the cart and we have some items. We go to checkout, which shows the list of items. Again, this needs more styling, but we can see we have one pair of Gordon Brothers, two pairs of black diamond mittens, and one wool fashion beret. We submit the order, and we see that once it's been submitted, we have a new order ID that's been submitted at this date and time for a total of $82.92. Again, more detail can be added here. And we go to the DynamoDB tables. The products table, we can see here, has information about the different products, such as scarves, multicolor, whatever, ombre infinity scarf, a wool fashion hat. We go to orders, and we see there's various orders with the address, and they have a unique order ID. We see our order is 5E6C, so that is this one, with the date, time, the order total. And for more details on what specifically made up that order, we go to eComm order lines. We see multiple orders for multiple order lines for various orders, but we're specifically interested in one. So we add a filter. Order ID string starts with 5E6C. And we see the four items that we had in order with the specific product IDs, D47, so on and so on. These were added just from this order, and we can see again that it's the most recent order. By looking at the date timestamp, we see that was done most recently. For some future improvements, to add more error checking, I had quite a few JavaScript files, so modularizing the code using the IIFE pattern would help. Clean up the new HTML. I didn't spend much time on making it user-friendly. Add some more user functionality, like new user sign up, forget a password, signing in via third party. Additional checkout functionality like shipping options, shipping order, tax, payment information, show past orders along with their status, and most especially use AWS API Gateway instead of writing directly to the tables so that any client input can be verified. And thank you.